Hi guys, we are here today in another episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh, there are zombie in there. I'm gonna kill it. And another skeleton. Come on, zombie. Come on, eat my brain, eat my brain. Eat my brain, zombie. Go to my house. Ha, 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 ha. Ouch. Don't kill me. Ha, 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 oh, ha. Yeah. Yeah. Suck you. Suck you, zombie. And oh, another zombie. Come on here. Come on. I will see. I will eat some rotten sand. Oh, I get hungered because I eat the flesh of that zombie. Come on, zombie. Go inside my house. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Ha. Gonna use. Oh, the villager zombie. Two zombies. Yummy. Oh. Oh, another villager zombie. Maybe there's a village nearby because there are so many villager zombie attacking me. Oh my gosh, a creeper, bitch. I have only one heart and it is equivalent to one attack of a zombie. So I will be more careful now. Regenerate more life. Spider, zombie, and a creeper right there. Oh, it's so dark. Cannot even sleep because I don't have any wool to craft a bed. Arg. Maybe I will kill some spiders so I can get their string and craft some wool. Come on here, spider. Come on. Come on. Oh, so it's daylight. Oh, my wooden axe is broken. Oh, a creeper right there. Oh, creeper. 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 Jump, 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 creeper. Where's the creeper? Oh, there. Where's my house? Oh, a zombie. Somber. Where's my house? Right there. Villager zombie is heading toward my house, and there's another villager zombie, and we're gonna go inside our house and watch them burn. Burn, you zombie. Burn. Burn with that sunlight. Burn. And I will eat your rotten flesh. Burn. Burn, don't follow me. Burn, 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 burn. Burn, burn, burn. Ow! Ouch. Ouch, ouch. I am being hit by a burning zombies. So, I accidentally put my string in here and gonna put my door here so no mobs can go inside my house. And there's a bunch of pig here, so I will kill it for food. Yes, I remember that I should be give a free shout out in the first comment in my channel, and it was Variety Blitz. And what's up, Variety Blitz? Welcome to my show, and good luck with your channel. And I'm gonna kill some animals so I can get food from them. Where's the cow? Creeper right there. Oh, a sheep. I will kill that sheep. Give me some wool. Give me some wool. I need your wool. Give me some. Give me some. Oh, a creeper. A creeper. A creeper is following us. The creeper is following us. Following us. Oh. Sheep, don't go near the creeper. Ha, 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 ha. Hey, don't go near to the creeper. Oh, oh, creeper, creeper, creeper. Don't follow me, creeper. Don't follow me. I hate creepers. I hate creepers. Don't follow me, don't follow me. Don't follow me, creeper. Don't follow me. Don't follow me, creeper. I didn't do anything to hurt you. So, got it. I got my wool. Let's get some trees so we can finish our house. Wait, I'll watch the creeper while cutting this tree down. And last one there. Gonna cut another oak wood tree right there. There and there. And last one there. Oh, I'm so excited. So I eventually stopped clicking that tree. So we'll build a chest so we can put our stuff there. Put the chest here and put there. I will craft some pickaxe so I can mine this coal for me to craft torches. Yes. there, there, and there, and this one. I'm gonna grab a torch to place outside my house, so any mobs can spawn out here. There, there, and there. So we're gonna finish our house. Maybe the third layer. Here, and let's put some here, 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 here. Let's follow the pattern that I have done in the first episode. There, there. So we built the second layer of our house, and we will build the third layer to finish our house. We'll build a one block here to make our ladder. There, 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 there. Then there, there. La 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 la. Out of woods. We will get some more woods because we are out of woods. Woods. We are out of woods, so we're gonna find some woods, especially oak woods. Oak woods, I need your help, oak woods. Please give me some of your logs to keep my house safe. And another one here. There, and there. So we will finish our house. Put some here, here. There. Here. Oh, it's getting dark outside. Maybe there. And there. We finish the origin of our house. So thank you guys for staying with me for 15 minutes, and hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and smash that like button, and hope you like my new intro. Bye guys.